Dough consistency should be like this. So now our dough also ready. We made equal parts and the stuffing also ready. So we need a big cover. Maybe we can use a Ziploc cover. If you do not have big Ziploc cover, maybe you can use this silver foil. Apply butter to your hands and take the small portion of this dough and spread across like this. And now take the stuffing, put the stuffing here and roll it. Make sure the dough is covered the stuffing. See, like this. So press the ball like this so that it will settle down inside that stuffing properly. Now apply little bit butter to this sheet. Spread all over like this and evenly press smoothly with the hands like this. You can see it is spreading equally and the stuff also not coming outside of the dough. So you can make how thin you want, you're comfortable to put on the pan. Until then you can do that. See, it is coming perfect. So now it is ready to put on the hot pan. Add little bit of butter on top of this. Also add little bit of butter to your hands so that you can put it here. Place it on the hot pan. So now I show how do we make on the plastic or a Ziploc paper. Take a big paper like this and apply oil to it. Place it in the middle and press slightly with the hand like this. So if you are not comfortable with hands, you can use a chapati roller. For that, you have to take another polythene cover or a Ziploc cover, apply oil to it and put on top of this like this. Now take the roller. We use this to make rotis or chapatis or bread, right? Roll it evenly, easy and slow. Make sure it will come round shape and the dough is spreaded properly. This is another way of making Bhakshalu Puran Poli sweet bread. So in this way it will come very thin. How much thin you want it will come. Now take the top polythene cover like this. Add butter on this. Take this from the cover like this. Easy, slow. Yeah, it is coming. Put it on the pan. Look at this Bhakshalu. These are very soft and easily, see, when you break this out, the sweet is evenly spread across the dough and tastes really very good. See how texture, very soft texture. So you can eat this directly like this with a ghee, or you can soak this in a hot milk and eat. Kids will love that. Hope you like this video. Thank you all for watching.